Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a new collection from Colourpop. This is called the Flower Power Collection, I believe. It came in this box, and I have a bunch of goodies in here that I want to share with you guys. But before we get started, my name is Tracy. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I am here for you guys to share with you guys the latest Colourpop collections. I'm at least trying, okay, girl? I have not been showing up for you guys, and I don't expect you guys to be showing up for me right now, okay? But I'm trying, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future uploads from me, and let's just go ahead and jump into today's video.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I am very surprised that I do not have COVID. Honestly, I just got over all of the symptoms. I still have, I'm a little bit congested. You guys can probably tell by my voice. But my kids are about to go on summer vacation, and I'm trying to just get all of my videos, all of my product reviews out now, because I have quite a bit from this past week since I've been sick. So this collection just looks super pretty, and I wanted to share with you guys everything that's inside of it. I want to start off today. I think I'm going to just do a tutorial and take you guys through everything that's in this collection. So, let me see. There's a lip mask in here, but I already have lip gloss. Let me just show you guys what this looks like. This is the Apricot Overnight Lip Mask. This is what it looks like. I already have quite a bit of these. I think I have some left over from my Powerpuff Girl collection that I still use till this day. This literally lasts a long time, and it really hydrates your lips. I love this so much. So I'm not even going to go ahead and open this any further and use it. So I'm going to put this away for a giveaway, but this is, again, the Apricot Overnight Lip Mask. I'm going to put this to the side. I believe this collection is now available for you guys to purchase. I will have it linked down below in the description box along with my discount code, which gives you $5 off of your entire purchase. Then we have the Apricot Me Not eyeshadow palette. This here has 9 eyeshadows. I have not seen it. This is going to be my first time seeing it, first impression of the palette, okay? I'm excited to open this up. Let's get this opened. It has a little film here. Okay, we got some neutrals. These look like everyday colors. They're perfect. So we're gonna just dip in there. Let's get some primer on our lids. Guys, I am so excited to let you guys know that I am opening up my beauty shop again. I have taken a long break from running a business because, you know, I don't know if you guys have been watching my latest videos, because by my views I've been noticing that you guys haven't. So let me just tell you, if you haven't watched my other videos, earlier this year I just, you know, took on this role of being a single mom, and I've been adjusting to that. I've been super busy with my kids, adjusting to our new life, setting up my new space, and you know, taking on more brand deals for my other platforms aside from like YouTube, because obviously single mom has to pay bills on her own as a single income. So that has been a priority of mine, to make sure that I am getting all of my work for brand deals done, and just seeking other opportunities for content creation. So my business has been put to the back burner. I guess this is a little get ready with me. Okay, we're gonna start playing with the eyeshadow palette, and I think I'm gonna go into this one first. By the way, the eye primer that I used is this Juvia's Place shade number 2 Eye Prime Primer. That's a tongue twister. Oh no, I was actually gonna use KOTL. What does that stand for? Oh no, but we're gonna use that. But yeah, I've just been, you know, working my butt off to make sure my bills are paid and my kids are not missing anything. I'm trying to, you know, it's difficult for kids to adjust to just having both parents, to just having mom around most of the time, you know? So keeping them busy is a priority of mine, and making sure that they're in some type of like sport or activity and just keeping up with their homework and also doing household work. It's been challenging, but very, I don't know, it just feels so good. It feels so good, and I've been feeling so happy, and I'm just excited to open up my business again. I am nervous, but excited. Just like the first time when I opened up my business, I was nervous as well, but oh shit, I just dipped into a shimmer. Okay, go back into that one. K-O-T-L. You guys let me know if you guys know what that means. K-O-T-L. Coddle? I do want to say that I have been... you always need somebody to like be there and listen to you and support you when you're going through so many life changes. And I have gotten like so close to my girl Gigi, and I've never even met her in person. I have literally been talking to her every single day, even before I even made the decision of like becoming a single mom, you know, like expressing that I wanted to do this to her, and just having her be there through it all. It's just been great to have a friend to support me through this entire process and just vent to and talk to. And I am like, sometimes when I post on here on YouTube, it can be very discouraging. I'm going to take this color right here. Got It Bad. I see my numbers and I'm like, oh my god, I used to get so many more views, and I get really down about it. I'm like, why though? If you're not showing up like you used to show up like 3 to 4 times a week for these people, okay? And now you're not. So why should I expect the same, you know, like when I'm not giving the same? But I have been really enjoying going live and just updating you guys on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I will have all of my social media platforms listed down below. It's a lot different now. I feel a little bit more comfortable opening up about my self-love journey, and it has definitely taken a lot in me to go through what I'm experiencing right now. You guys are like, I'm here for the makeup, you stop talking. I'm in a venting mood, okay? I just got over a freaking cold. Well, I still have it, but I had fever, I had chills, I had like everything, and if I want to talk, I'm gonna talk. What am I gonna do next? See, a lot of these colors are just so subtle. Like, you guys can see my eye look right now is looking like really springish, and I love it. Nothing wrong with it. So like, if you're into that, definitely recommend this. But aside from like something subtle, like you're not gonna get like super amped up looks, because this is the only color that is dark and deep enough for you to do like anything crazy. So I guess we could do a smoky-ish eye. No, yeah, let's do that, because I feel like I'm already going for something that I normally do. So I'm gonna take this color and a flat shader brush like this. I'm gonna pick up that one right there, and just apply it all over my lid like that. Doesn't have to be super neat. But yeah, I used to see so many of you guys in my comments that I'm like, I was so used to seeing, and that have disappeared over time. And I like wonder, out of the few views that I've been getting lately, like who's here watching, or any of the people that used to watch me still watching me. Like, I wonder like who watches my videos. So I'd really appreciate you guys leaving a comment, even an emoji down there, just to show me that you guys are there in support and in spirit. So I really appreciate you guys, even if you decide not to leave me a comment. You guys just showing up supports me and my family. So thank you very much, even if you don't like me, girl. Ooh, girl, what are we doing? I'm not blending well here. Okay, I'm gonna go back into this color right here, and we're gonna diffuse the edges of this because, okay, here we go. Okay, I really like this so far. I'm gonna take that dark shade once again, and I'm gonna take a little pencil brush like this one, and I'm gonna just go under the lash line. Why do people that don't like you support you the hardest? I mean, like I said, I appreciate any support. Let's go into the next color. I think I want to do, okay, let's see. This one is called Apricot or Not, and then this one is called Puree. I think I want to do this. No, I'm going to do that bottom one. I'm going to do Apricot or Not. I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to be applying it in this inner corner, kind of blending it up like that. See how pretty that just kind of like highlights this inner part? Alright, very quickly off camera, I'm going to go ahead and do some mascara, some lashes, and I'm going to come back and share with you the rest of the collection. Okay, eyelashes are on. These are actually some of my eyelashes from my website. Some eyelashes will be available on the site. Not all of them are going to be in stock, so just bear with me as I am trying to get back into this business owner role. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, let's move it along over to the two Super Shock Cheek highlighters. We have two of them. Let me show you guys both of them. So this one right here is called Addicted to You, and this next one is called On and On. Hold on. Let me get it opened up. Let me get the little sleeve out. This one right here is called Addicted to You, and this one is On and On. Well, I guess I have to swatch them because then you guys can't really tell. On and On has more of a peachy glow to it. The other one is a little bit more of a like a goldish, a beige gold color. I don't know, but girl, I am really drawn to On and On. Yeah, we love a nice peachy glow. Let's put this on. That looks really pretty. Let me do it over to this side. Onto my eyebrow bone on both sides. I am looking all refreshed. And then we also, oh girl, I forgot we had some Super Shock Trio. I already did my eye makeup. I totally forgot about these. Here is the trio. Alright, starting with For Me. That's what it's called. It has a question mark at the end. This here is the color For Me. And then this one here is called Hey Lover, which is like a gold right there in the middle. And then this next one is a bronzy shade. It's called Bestus. I don't think I'm going to be putting any of these on my eyes because I really like my eye makeup and I think it'll take away from it. But these are all three of the Super Shock Shadow swatches that you guys are seeing. Cute, cute. Now we, last but not least, have 4, what are these? Fresh Kiss liquid lipsticks. Are they glosses? Lip creams. Okay. Again, let me go ahead and get these swatched, and then I'm going to show you guys swatches of all of them. And then we're going to apply it to the lips, okay? Okay, so these are all the 4 swatches. I'm going to tell you guys in order from this, oh wait, hold on. From right here. So this first color right here is called Freshest. Yeah, that one's called Freshest right there. The next one is called Nice and Slow, which is that one right next to it. I actually like that one. I might wear that one. No. Should I wear that one? No, maybe. Okay, and then the third one is called First Taste, which is that one right there. And then the fourth one is called Apricots in Cream, which is that last one right there. I think I'm going to actually wear the first one. I think that would look the prettiest with my eye makeup. So let me go ahead and take off my lip gloss. Oh no, I cannot wear that. No. Okay, I think I'm going to try Apricots and Cream. This is the darkest color from this collection. Actually, I really like this color. I don't know, but I like this color. I probably need a lip liner, but it's fine. It's fine for today. I honestly just have to like it just smeared. I went like that to my hair, and oh, the lipstick got all over my hair. Ay, qué mensa. My hair is still air drying, but anyway, we completed this look. I'm not going to do anything to my hair today. I'm really not in the mood, but I wanted to sit down and just go through this entire collection with you guys. I will have it linked down below in the description box. If you guys do have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'm going to leave you with my latest uploads linked to the side of the video right here. You can click on any of these and continue to hang out with me. I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!